Well, it's been raining all day, and most of this little running track here is all flooded out now, but I got a little strip here to take off. Anyways, same setup as yesterday. The only thing I did was, well, I mean, I erased the stored logging and I disabled the flight logging to see if it would get rid of that annoying creaking sound, as per a couple of RC group members told me it would. So here it is with the same exact setup, 13.65 prop, no logging. No sound. Love it. Can't imagine that logging makes a sound, but apparently it does. Silent. Nice. Thanks to all my RC Group's friends, I guess. Almost lost my hat cam there for a minute. About that rolling circle when it's coming at you, and I don't know why. Trust your timing, you trust your timing, I guess. Really been trying to work on my inverted on the sim. It really, flying full speed inverted doesn't bother me at all, really. Boy, when I come down slow, it just seems so much different.